Alright, just got to the shop. Gonna finish up the Corrado. If I can get it all back together. Yeah, not much more to say. Let's get it back together. Alright, so I got the thermostat housing all assembled with the crack pipe in it already, and it's a good idea to get the crack pipe, put it in the thermostat housing first before you put it in. So if you put the thermostat housing in first, you won't be able to fit the crack pipe in there, and there's only one way the crack pipe will go in there, and you can see it's a little notch right there. And what I'm going to do is just slide it in like that, and then obviously bolt it up, but definitely put the crack pipe in first because then you won't be able to fit it in there. So I'm going to get that all put in and I'll get back. Alright, got the thermostat housing in and crack piped in. Now I'm going to get the oil cooler in, and after that let's see, hook up a few radiator hoses, obviously to the coolant thermostat housing. Then make sure everything's all hooked up, plugged in. Put the radiator in, its front rad support, bumper, and then it'll be all done, ready for fluids. Alright, got everything together now. Everything's in, plugged in. Only thing left is hook up the hoses right here and install the radiator. Plug these plug those two plugs in, and I gotta tighten this down just a little bit. I suggest actually doing the oil cooler first before anything, because I just got excited and I don't know, just got ahead of myself and found out that it kind of sucks to put the oil cooler in after everything. So just put the oil cooler in first and then do that. I wasn't taking it all apart, so I had to struggle getting that in there, but it's in, everything's good. Gonna get it all back together now, finish it up. Alright, well, I'll be back another day, maybe tomorrow or something. Definitely this weekend I'll have fluids in it. Front end's back together except for the bumper. Everything's all together now. Sorry I didn't show it, just trying to get out of here, get home. Yeah, it'll be all together soon, couple days now. Fluids in it and everything. So that's a wrap for tonight. I have a light out up there. Yeah, that's it for tonight. Looks like Steve got his car off the jack stands. Good for him. Something right here. I gotta clean the shit out of this place. Fucking messy. Alright, so lock the toolbox. Everything's good. Picked up. Alright. Talon at idle. Gonna be boosting home. Oh yeah. Alright, let's shut this door. Peace out. Skip.